In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video on a page using the built-in video block and upload your file so it plays beautifully on your site. To begin, make sure you're in the page editor for the section where you want your video to live. When you're hovering over that section, look for the option to add content. Click on Add Block. This opens the block library, which is Squarespace's menu of elements you can drop onto the page. If you don't see it right away, try moving your cursor between existing blocks or into an empty area of the section. The add prompt typically appears there. From the block library, select Video. This tells Squarespace you want a dedicated space for a video, with controls and settings tailored to media. You'll see a placeholder appear on the page where the video will go. If it's not exactly where you want it, you can drag the block before you proceed so it sits in the perfect spot. Now double-click the video block. This opens the video settings panel where you control what plays inside that block. Think of this as the command center for your video source and details. Inside the panel, click on Add a Video. Squarespace will present options for how to bring your media in. Since we're focusing on providing a file directly from your computer, choose Upload File. Your file picker will open, allowing you to select the video you want to feature. MP4 files are a reliable choice, and keeping the file size reasonable helps your page load faster. If you've already compressed your video for the web, you'll get smoother playback and better performance across devices. After you choose the file, the upload and processing will begin. Stay on the page while it finishes. Larger files can take a bit longer, so be patient and let Squarespace handle the encoding behind the scenes. Once processing completes, the video will display in the block preview. At this point, give the page a quick look in the editor to confirm placement and spacing feel right. If the block looks cramped, consider adjusting the surrounding layout or adding a little breathing room so the video stands out. For an even better viewer experience, plan your thumbnail and ensure your video's first frame looks intentional. Also, think about accessibility by preparing captions or a short description in your page content. That's it. You clicked Add Block, chose Video, opened the block settings, added a video, and uploaded your file. Your Squarespace page now features a clean, embedded video ready for visitors to watch.